Good evening, sir.
Sir, please clarify my doubt first, sir. I told you already that in WhatsApp.
Yes, good evening, everyone.
Sir, I told you already that clarify my doubts.
Sorry.
I told in WhatsApp, sir, already. I'm having exam, so please clarify my doubt fast.
Yeah. Yes, tell me.
Sir, I posted in WhatsApp, sir, already.
Posted in myself already.
Sir, after all join, can we take visit the first, sir?
Yes, sure.
Because have another class.
Okay, sure, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So, which is yours? Staying.
Sir, one screen share, sir, I will show.
Yes.
Sir, a doubt in Max worksheet. Please clarify that. Up. This is 9th, 10th. This all, sir, what I post, all questions I have done.
See here. Basically, ninth question, the figure AB is equal to AC given. AB is equal to BC given, and angle A is equal to C given. What is X value? Array, simple, no?
Yes, sir, but simple Excel is, sir. So 80 only, no, sir. X is equal to.
Guys, how many have to solve this question? Ninth one. Angle A is equal to angle C here. All right. Angle A is equal to C given. What is
Yes.
asking for X value?
Yeah.
Who's in waiting room? 1 second. Guys, one second. How many questions you have done from worksheet? Guys,
Sir, I did.
many of you are
sir.
many of you are not texting after finishing a homework. I'm just observing that. I'm gonna take a serious action on that. So, guys,
So can you once explain the fifth question of the worksheet? I had a doubt in that, sir.
yes, 1 second, guys. So first, Shreyan, he has exam right now. So let us finish his doubt. Then we'll come to that. Angle A is equal to C given that. And guys, actually we have solved this kind of question actually. Now here two triangles we have. What are the A triangle and B triangle, ABD and CBE. So three triangles we have. So these two triangles are equal now.
Yeah, sir.
You understand? So as per this rule, we have proved this one as well. So AB is equal to BC means like angle A is equal to C given. Angle A is equal to C means what? What is angle A here? Tell me. Arey bhai, angle A is what? 70 degrees.
Angle is 80 degrees, sir.
Angle A is 70 degrees.
70 degrees, sir.
Why? Because 80 plus 30, how much? 80, 120. So 130. And then 130 means like 180 minus 130, 70. So angle A is equal to C given. A is 70 means X is also what?
70.
70. That's it. How many have you done the 10th one? Look at this 10th one. What is 10th one? Shreyan, I hope you understood 9th one.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
9th, 10th one, how many have you done? I'm asking you guys.
Yeah, isn't ninth one 50 degrees?
70 degrees.
70 degrees. Why? Because the figure AB is equal to BC given. AB is equal to BC. Then look at this. As we know, we have seen one fundamental rule. So I think someone has asked that one standard condition we have discussed. That is, whenever you have this condition, the angle ABD is equal to triangle ABD is equal to triangle EBE. So CBE. Triangle ABD is equal to triangle CBE. So if these two triangles are equal, then what is angle A here? Yeah, he only given angle A is equal to C, right, Piyush? What is angle A here? Angle is
Yes,
70.
sir.
No?
Yes, sir. I got it, sir.
Okay. Next 10th one, how many have you solved? 10th one, make it fast. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC given. AB is equal to AC, then angle 1 is equal to 2 given. Okay, angle A is 40 given. Angle A is 40 means what?
Find PVC and PVC.
Find the PBC. Find the PBC. Okay. So we have to find out B here. So find
B
the
and C, sir.
B and C. Yes. How many have you done this? Very good question. Guys, very simple question. How many have you done this? Angle 1 is equal to 2 given here. Angle 1 is equal to 2 given. And angle PBC is asking for, angle PBC is asking for. Look at this. Oh, 1 second.
Sir,
Let me write.
is B 125 degree?
Sorry.
Sir, today is only final exam. And week onwards I will join in. I will join total. Only for today.
Sorry.
Sir, to just only this is today. This is the last exam. Sir, today is last exam. So next week onwards I will join on 10. I will be till then. Sir, today only I will live in middle.
Look at it
So,
here.
I'm having an exam. So I'm having an exam from 4:30. So I need to leave.
Who is that?
Aditya.
So this is Aditi, sir. Actually, I'm having a written test from 4:30 to 5:30. So I will just be in the class till 4:30.
For what? For how many minutes?
So
Sure,
for
wait.
half an hour till 4:30.
Okay, no problem. No problem. See here. And we know that. We know one. Look at this here. Triangle. Worksheet 10th question, right?
Yes.
So triangle A, B, C given this one. Answer the point P given here. So angle 1 is equal to
Sir, B is given 55 degree, means only one angle is given 55 degree.
yes, this is given 55 degrees. He's asking for
B and C.
angle P, C, B and angle PB.
C.
C. So guys, basically look at this. We have proved this. We have proved this. What is this? If you know one angle, other angle is easy here. You understand what I'm trying to say here? If you
Yes,
know
sir.
one, now
Sir,
for finding that, look at this. Yes, yes, tell me. Yes, who is that? Tell me.
no, sir, I thought that you got stuck.
Okay. Guys, here we have to find the angle is B.
Sir, will angle 2 be equal to 55 degree? Angle 2 equal to 55 degree.
Angle 2 is equal to 55 degree. Yeah.
No, sir, will it be? I'm asking.
Alternate interior angle, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Which one? Which one?
Sir, angle 2 will be 55 degree.
Alternate interior angles. Angle 2 will be 55 degrees.
Yeah,
How-
sir, that's what I was asking.
How can you say that is not for full triangle? No. So there's a full.
Okay.
See, if this angle and this angle, 1 and 2 will be 55 degrees then. Alternate interior angle. So if you mean like if I just how
Yeah,
you-
yeah, yes, sir. Yes,
if you just extend the line like this,
yes, sir.
now that is for only parallel lines. These are not parallel lines. No?
Okay, sir.
Sir, so B is 55 degrees, so it will be total means full angle B is 125 degree. Right?
Why 125?
Because
No, it can't be. It cannot be like that. See here, we have a wonderful proof. Actually, we have seen a proof of this. One second. यार क्या हो रहा है, लिख रहा नहीं ये पेन। हाँ देखो, मुझे पता है, देखो इधर एंगल 1 इज इक्वल एंगल 2 गिवन, and here AB is equal to AC given. What we have to prove? This we know one. Look at this here. We have to we have seen one condition that here PCB is equal to PBC is equal. We know one condition. Whenever we have angle 1 is equal to, we have seen PBC is equal to PCB. This is a condition. How? What is the proof for this? Proof for this by using SAS congruency we have proven. We have proved this by using SAS congruency. We have proved this, guys. Here angle, if I know B angle, I could find out C angle. What is B angle here? Guys, you understand what I'm trying to say here? If you know B angle, we can find out C angle easily, since both are equal here.
Yes.
Is
Yes,
it
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Now look at this. Now look at this. Here first, what is going to be my next step now? See here, angle 1 is equal to 2 given, right? Angle 1 is equal to, what is the question? Question to देखेंगे. Oh, angle A given also. Angle A also given, no?
No, sir. Yeah, it is given 40
Look at the
degree.
angle A 40 degree. Who is that?
So yeah, boss.
Angle A is equal to 40 degrees. Angle A is equal to 40 degrees, then who is that? Actually, is joining now. Angle A is equal to 1. Yeah. Then find PBC, PCB. Guys, here angle A 40 दिया है, तो angle 1 is equal to दिया है. Then what is the condition? Tell me. So look at this here, guys. As per this, for proving this, we have proved this. We have proved this. For proving this, here AB is equal to AC and AP is equal to AP. AP is a common, no? AP
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to AP is a common for
So
everyone.
what do you mean AP equal to AP?
The common side.
It's a
AP
common
equal-
side.
common side. It's a common side. देखो AB is equal to AC, AP is a common side. अरे यार क्या the pen, guys, my pen is not writing one second.
Sir, it is writing AP is.
And now it is writing. Sometime in between it is getting stuck in between. Common side. So by using SAS, side angle side property, by SAS, I could say that triangle A, P, B and or similar to triangle APC. दोनों बराबर ही है.
Yes, sir.
Now look at this. By using my CPCT. By using CPCT, can I say P B is equal to PC? बराबर ही है ना, सेम ही है ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो अभी देखो, तो ये दोनों बराबर हो जाएगा फिर. PBC is equal to PCB. अरे ये क्या है, देखो ऐसा होता है एक बार. PCB. Yeah, what is this? Angles opposite. Angles opposite to equal sides. Angles opposite side, opposite to equal sides. ये होता है एंगल अपोजिट इक्वल साइड. देखो एंगल्स अपोजिट्स. ए बी इज इक्वल AC, राइट? एंगल ए बी इज इक्वल AC, तो बराबर ही है ना. ए बी इज इक्वल AC. व्हाट इज द opposite angle to this side? C. What is the opposite angle to this side? B.
B.
समझ.
Yes,
So
sir.
angle PCB is equal to PBC. That's how we can just prove that PCB is equal to PBC. Now if you prove this, Isn't it easy now?
Yes, sir. We have proved that it will be easy now.
Look at this. What we have to find out? B, A is equal to 40 given. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to what? 40 given. Okay. And angle B have to find out. Angle B is equal to what? This is angle A. Angle B is equal to what? Angle A is equal to what? B is equal to
A is
55 degrees
40.
plus, let us say X. Let us say X. You understand? Now, B is equal to C, I know that. So this is also going to be 55 plus X.
Yes,
You
sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
So 55 is equal to 55 plus X means sum of all angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Then can't you find out from this X value? Can't you find out X value?
Sir, by substituting the value A is 40, B is 55, we will write B as 55.
55 plus X, listen to the class, you will understand. See here, 55 plus 55, how much? 110, so 150. 150 plus 2X is equal to 180. So 2X is equal to kitna? 180 minus 150. So 2X is equal to kitna? 30. X is equal to kitna? 15. 15. तो ये कितना हुआ? 15 हुआ. तो B कितना हुआ? So therefore B is equal to how much? 55 plus how much? 70 degrees. Is that clear? Any doubts? Any doubts? Hello.
No, sir. No, sir.
doubt. No doubt.
Therefore, angle B is equal to 55 plus.
They are solved in the same method.
Very good, beta. Is it clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So yes, and 1 second, guys. Those who are having exam, let us clear their doubts and I will cooperate them. Yes. So and Sren, I think I cleared your doubt. Next, whose doubts? Yes, Harini, you have exam, right?
Sir, I'm
I
leaving. Sir.
posted my doubts in the WhatsApp.
Yes, Kavya, please let us clear their doubts. Please stay tuned. Listen the class what I'm saying.
Sir,
Let
I'm
us,
leaving the class, sir. Okay.
Sren, why?
Sir, I have exams.
You have exam?
Yes, sir.
What exam?
My social. Sir.
When?
Now what is it?
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Sir,
Yes.
can we have quiz, sir?
Yes, yes, children, we can have a quiz now. So
One.
yes, we can have the quiz.
Sir, I did my quiz, sir.
You did
So
your
one
quiz. Yes, yes, beta, no problem. Yes, actually, last class we didn't have quiz, right? So last class we didn't conduct the quiz. So for them, we'll conduct the quiz first. And actually, your quiz will, continue for the next class. In next class, probably tomorrow.
No, sir, no problem.
No problem. So now look at this. Yes, Harini, you can start the quiz. Only 3 minutes of time, guys. Within 3 minutes, you must have. Within 3 minutes, I'm going to find out. You should
Yes,
not
sir.
write for more than 3 minutes. Harini, who is along with you? Like who prepared the question?
Bhargav, sir. Actually, Bhargav should prepare along with me, but he's not there in the class, sir. Last 2 classes he's not attending, sir.
No problem, no problem. So you just
I've posted the link, sir.
yeah, you just posted the link. Huh? Okay. See, Harini has posted the link to everyone. Please, everyone try to
Sir, I
join.
have joined.
Yes. Many, everyone.
4 of them joined, sir.
Yes, guys, from any, actually, Harini has prepared the questions from the area where she has, feeling difficult. Isn't it, Harini?
Sir, not like that, sir. Generally, I prepared, sir, from RD, sir.
Generally, you should not prepare, sir. You should prepare, sir, wherever you are lacking with, sir.
Yes, sir. From next time, I'll prepare. wherever.
That's what I told. That's what I told. That is the main intention of conducting the quiz, right? That is the main intention of asking you to prepare the questions, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
that what is the reason behind asking you to prepare like that means so that I can understand where in which area you are lacking with. So if I come to know that we could discuss that area. We could discuss collectively all those questions together and clear all the doubts. That's what. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. You start the quiz now. Have you joined? How many of them joined?
Sir, 8 joined, sir.
Yes. What about others? What about the rest of the 5 people? What are the rest of the 4 people? Guys, everyone join the session. Everyone, come on. See, at 4:21, the quiz is going to join. At 4:21, the quiz is going to join. So 421 means 423. The 423 the quiz is going to wind up. Harini, you should wind up the quiz at 423. All right, ma?
Yes, sir. So
423.
let's start, sir. 9
Yes,
members,
you can start, please.
10 join, sir.
Very good.
I started, sir.
You started. Everyone turn on your cameras first. I should see whether you are popping or not. Hey, turn on your cameras, everyone. Boys and girls. Hi, Taruni. How are you? Taruni, hi. Taruni is not responding. Taruni, are you following the class? I can't hear you. Always I can't hear you. Why? Huh? You must start. Talk loudly, please.
Sir, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Something with my quiz.
422 last minute.
So the time is up.
Sir, only 3 members did not complete, sir. Akshay did not start, sir.
Okay.
Taruni and Sujay is doing, sir. He's in the 3rd question. And Taruni is in 2nd question, sir. And Toshnika is disconnected. She joined again, sir.
Okay.
Tell me. Tell me your marks.
Done. She's going to wind up. She's going to wind up. She's going to wind up the session. Come on.
Sir, shall I end, sir?
Yes, you can wind it up.
Sir, first is Toshnika, 2nd is Prana, and 3rd is Kavya, sir.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you,
children.
sir.
And 4th is Piyush, sir.
4th is Piyush. Congratulations, Beta. Well done. Good job. Good job. Keep going. Keep going. See here, just learn from the mistake. If you have any doubts from the quiz, you may ask Harini. If you don't find that question, you may ask her and just get those questions and solve that if you want it again. Is that clear? So if you don't find the question again, you may ask Harini so that she might, she may share you in WhatsApp and you can just work upon it. All right, if you're not finding it out, you can just let me know. Okay. Thank you. So now, any doubts? Now we'll discuss the doubts now again. Guys, happy? Are you getting the point? Are you enjoying the way we are going with the
Yes, sir.
are you enjoying the way we are continuing with the classes, like conducting the quizzes, having
Yes,
the notes,
sir.
weekly
Yes, sir.
ones, and engaging with everyone? This kind of session we need actually. All right, everyone must talk in the class. Modita, are you here, Modita? Everyone turn on your cameras. I should see everyone should turn on your cameras. Aditi, sir, can I leave? I need to log in another meeting or writing an exam. Okay, Aditi, you don't have any doubts, right? Aditi, do you have any doubts? Okay, Aditi, you may leave the session now. You attempt the quiz, right?
Sir.
You wrote the quiz, right? You attempted the quiz, right? Aditi.
So can I also leave, sir? I have another class now.
Yes. No, Aditi, did you attempt the quiz or not? Your result is on hold. Okay. How many questions you attempted? You attempt all the questions. Harini, her result is on hold. What's the problem?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Actually, I'm seeing.
So the results were declared, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
She
sir.
did not participate in the quiz, sir. Participated members are Toshnika, Pranav, Kavya, Piyush, and someone in TI, sir.
Who is the TI?
Don't know, sir. She is at 5th place. Tayyaba, Akshit, Sai Akshit, Sujay, Modita, Akshit, Akshityam, and Taruni, sir. Only 10 members.
Okay. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, Aditi, if you have, okay, I did not get my result yet. So no problem, Aditi. You just, yes, please, you join the quiz on time, and just know you have to finish in time, so that there might be some technical issue. If you read that question, Aditi, you may ask Harini so that she will share you in WhatsApp and you solve it upon. Okay. Now you may leave. Thank you. Yes.
Sir, I was not able to write the quiz. It didn't load for me. So,
Why you are not able to write?
sir, I solved the questions, but then when I was clicking on the option, it didn't load for me. It wasn't. The next question didn't come. So,
Okay, you might have some.
Yes,
I think you had some technical issues, isn't it?
yes, sir. I'll try to write it next time.
No problem. Okay. Modita, are here.
Yeah, sir.
Everyone turn on your cameras. So, yes. Everyone turn on your cameras, I said. Yes. Who is having doubt? Kavya, you posted doubt, right?
Yes, sir. I posted out today also and 4 days back also.
No problem, beta. We'll discuss that. Where is that pen? Yes. Yeah, here.
sir, I have posted the quiz questions in the chat box, sir. If anyone did not attend, they can copy the questions and see.
Yeah. She has posted. Look at this. You can see the quiz questions, guys. Here, she has posted the quiz questions. You can just look at there, and you can just Harini, if someone asks you personally, you can just send them as well. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay. Thank you. If
Thank you, sir.
yes. Chalo. Kavya, your doubt is here. 1 second. See, if x plus 2 and 2x minus 1 are factors of these, and then the value of that is what? Basically, look at this here, Kavya. X plus 2 and 2x minus 1
I
are
have not
factors.
shared the screen.
Oh, I'm not showing the screen. Look at this here. If x plus 2 and 2x minus 1 are the factors of that. So this guys, very simple question and good question as well. How can we solve this? Any idea? Let's see who's going to give the idea.
Sir,
Hello.
can I tell?
We can simply just get the find the solution, like x plus 2 will be minus 2. Replace it we can do it for
Yes,
both the
sir.
cases. Replace it and we can get two equations, and we can equate them because a and b are two variables.
Okay. How is
Yes,
your,
sir, actually, I did the same way, but I didn't get the appropriate answer.
how did you do?
I took like first I took the value of x as -2. Then I substituted in the p of x, and then again I took the value of x as 1/2 equal to this
Hmm.
value of p of x.
Mhm.
Yes, sir. That's what I wanted to say.
Yes,
And then A and B value, we can get it and we can do it.
But
yes, I
that,
tried the
So
same way,
let
but
me
I
just
did not
try
get
it.
the any answer from the options.
no problem. We'll see. What is up 338 or we'll see the option. Where is that? Here. Look at this. Let us write. So x plus 2 and what is that? What was that? 2x minus 1, right? Or else we'll do one thing, 1 second. Copy image. Paste problem. Okay. Look at this here. Guys, look at it. First, x plus 2 is a factor means, so x plus 2 is a factor of p of x given, isn't it? Isn't it? Then what is that? P of minus 2 supposed to be 0. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? P of minus, so 2x cube plus ax square plus bx plus 10. So P of minus 2 supposed to 0 means what? So substitute here P of minus 2 is equal to 2 into minus 2 whole cube plus a into minus 2 whole square plus b into minus 2 plus 10 you get. So what do you get from this? So minus 16 plus 4a minus 2b plus 10. Is it clear? Is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
So 4a minus 2b plus minus 6 is equal to 0. This is one relation I got. So this also can be written as what? If I take 2 common, this also can be written as. Are you able to understand everyone? If I
Yes,
take 2
sir.
common,
So we can, yes.
this is what I can do here. Let us say this is the first number equation. And also given that also 2x plus 1 is a factor. Factor means P of x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Means P of minus 1 by 2. P of minus 1 by 2. How minus 1 by 2 I got here if I equate with a 0?
It's 2x minus 1, sir.
So 2x minus 1, then plus 1 by 2. 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1 means x is equal to 1 by 2. So P of 1 by 2. P of 1 by 2 means what is the question? 2x cube, tell me. 2x
2x cube.
plus ax square plus px plus 10, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So 2 by 2 into 1 by 8. So I could write 1 by 4 simply here. All is 2 1 by 8 plus a by 4 plus b by 2 plus 10. So here 4, isn't it?
Yes,
So
sir.
1 by 4 plus a by 4 plus b by 2 plus 10 is equal to 0. So LCM is what here? 4 is LCM. So a plus 2b plus 40 plus 1, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So a plus 2b plus 41 is equal to 0. Is equal to equation number 2. If I solve first and second equation, solving first and second equation. So first equation multiplying equation number 1 with 2. What is there? 2a. So 4a minus 2b. 4a minus 2b minus 6 is equal to 0. So now and add with equation 2. So if I add, what I'm going to get, look at this. Add this. 5a plus 35 is equal to 0. A is equal to minus 7. Isn't it? A is equal to minus 7 or not, Kaji? Five ones are 5 sevens are. A is equal to minus 7. A is equal to minus 7. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. So why didn't we multiply equation 2 with 2?
Sorry?
Why didn't we multiply equation 2 with 2? Like for equation 1, we multiplied it with 2, right?
Why we multiplied means, see here, if I multiply with the 2, see here, I'll get 4a here, 2b here, minus 2b I'll get over there. So in equation I have plus 2b, so that I can add, if I add, so minus plus will get cancelled, right?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? You
So can
understand?
you repeat?
See what I'm trying here is, see here. Here I have 2, if I multiply the 2 on both sides, so 2a minus 1b is equal to 2 into 0. So if I do so, what I'm getting here, 4a minus 2b minus 6 is equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
So that so here I have minus 2b, here I have plus 2b in the second equation. Look at this.
Yes, sir.
If I add, so I can cancel it out straight away, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That was the reason. Is that clear? So if I know
Yes,
a
sir.
value, then b value is what here? You can substitute from the second equation or first equation, you can take anywhere. So second equation is what? A plus 2b plus 41. So what is a here? Minus 7 plus 2b plus 41 is equal to 0. So 2b plus 41 minus 7, how much?
34.
34. So b is equal to minus 34 by 2, which is minus 17. All right. B value is minus 17 here. So a value is minus 7 and b value is minus 17. This is what I got. What is asking for? He's
A
asking
square
for
plus
what?
B square.
A square plus b square. Look at this. A square plus b square. So a square plus b square. A square means 49. B square means 289.
Yes, sir.
289 only, no? 7
Yes,
7.
sir.
49 plus 289, how much?
338.
338. This is my answer.
So there is an option, right?
We
338.
have option 338. So 289 plus 49, how much? 18, 13, yes, 338 only, no? 338.
Yes, sir. There's an option, I guess.
We have option.
Yes, sir.
Option
A.
is correct. Option is
Yes,
correct.
thank you.
Chalo. Any other doubts? We have done this. Next. Next.
That's it, sir.
Okay. 4 days back, this one only, no?
Yes, sir.
Look at this here. So one question. Question is what? Look at this. Guys, what's happening? What's happening? Yes, how can we solve this? Come on. Very, very good question. The value of this one is what? Root 6. Guys, there is a big root. What can I do?
So can you do 6 plus 8, 6 plus 2, 8, and 3 plus 2, 5?
I didn't get you.
Sir, or else what about like multiplying 2 into 2 into 2? Since it's 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6.
Yes, you mean like do you want me to take 2 common inside?
Yes, sir.
If you take 2 common, root 3 plus root 2 plus root 6. That's all. That's it.
So we need to get common from
Yes,
6
sir.
also then, right?
Sorry,
We will take common from 6 also, right? 2.
I didn't get you. We do.
We should take two common from 6 also, right? We
Sir,
should
it's
be
not
can't
root
we
6.
cancel
It is not root,
2?
right? So I didn't take, no. I took
Sir,
Not
only
root
from these
6
three.
root.
From these 3 terms only I took. So
Sir,
this is
can't we cancel it?
what, how we cancel?
Root.
How we cancel? How you cancel? We cannot cancel. Yeah, minus 1 by square root of 5 minus 2 root 6. You cannot cancel. If I have whole square like this, then I can cancel these two, but I don't have whole square. So don't cancel it. Okay, so yes. After this, what can we take? Root 6 can be written as what? Root 2 into 3.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Hmm? What can we do here? 1 second. Or else we can do like this now. 2 root 2, 4 root 3 plus minus. This is what called these are very I think we can we do some rationalization here.
Yes, sir, we can.
Rationalization to root.
select root 5 minus 2
And
root
like
6.
instead of taking only for the roots, we can take the whole thing, right?
But I think if we do rationalization for the whole root, it might make it more complicated again.
And sir, it's a particular one number, right? Root 5 minus 2 root 6 is a particular one number, right?
Yeah.
So how can we do rationalization for only one number?
Rationalization, I mean like
Sir, we can take common 2 for the whole big square root for 6 plus this thing.
rationalization if we can see we have like open rationalization individually we cannot do, yes. Yeah, 1 second. Others will do like this.
Sir, it will be root 5 plus 2 root 6, like under it into root 5 plus 2 root 6. So we can do it like that, right?
Sorry?
But it's complete one number, right? It's not two numbers.
It's a complete one number. Yeah.
Then we can simply just square it off.
Or else can we take some terms together and write?
So we can square off the like denominator, right?
Square of the denominator.
Yes, we can square the denominator, right?
Like you are saying cross multiplication and square it.
Yes, sir.
Taking LCM, you mean?
No, sir. I meant to say like, so you said it, we have to rationalize it, right? So we can square the denominator,
Even
right?
you rationalize. Rationalization after taking. You have a square root for every entire thing. So I think we cannot do that. One second. Here, or else you do like this.
Sir, we can take it as a root 5 plus 2 root 6 under the root, right? Instead of taking it like that. It's not one number exactly, right? So we can do it as 1 by root 5 under the root minus 2 root 6. Like it's already plus 2 root 6. Like it's already given, right? But it's not like
For
whole one
individually,
number.
you want to do that. For this
Yes,
you
sir.
want to do.
Yes, sir.
If you do so, you mean like this?
Yes, sir.
If you do so after that, what do you do? Again, you will get same thing, no? 5 minus 4, 24. Yeah, you will get a negative. So wait, 1 second. Instead of going that way, see here, we will just bring like this.
So for this one, we can take whole thing as 2, not just the root part. Like whole thing common as 2.
Whole thing common as. So if you want me to like look at this, or else we'll do one thing.
Sir, or else is it possible to take right 6 as 2 into 3?
Yes, that is what I'm doing now.
Yeah, that's what I said, sir.
So 2 into this can be written as root 3 into root 2.
Sir, but then isn't it root 2 into 2 root 2 and then it's like 2 root 3 and then we're taking 2 into 3 as common again.
Yeah, 2 root 6, we can keep it like that itself because already in the denominator is 2 root 6. Then it might be easier for us.
Yeah. See here. So look at this now.
So 100 in the form of exponents.
We'll write like this. Can we do like this? Now everything. Now what can we take common?
Okay. Yeah, I didn't mean it like that.
See here, 2 into 3. Root 2 into root 2, 1, 2, right?
Yes, sir. This part I understood.
Yes, sir.
But what about the 2 into 3, sir?
Where is that?
Sir, the first bit 2 into 3.
This one I wrote
Yeah,
like
that is only root 2 into root 2 and root 3 into root 3.
Sir, but 3, how is it possible to write again into root 3, sir? Then the root should be not there since.
No. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 only. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Now can I take now? Or else root 2, 2 can be written as simply only. So can I take 2 root 3 common? If I take 2 root 3 common, what I'm going to remain with here? Root 3 plus 1 plus root 2 plus 2 root 2. Isn't it? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, minus 1 by square root of 5 minus 2 root 6. So after this,
Sir, do we rationalize root 5 into 2 root 6?
if you rationalize so,
So then it
So
might
the
make.
irrational will be out of the denominator. It'll be easier
Yes, sir.
rather than just doing multiplication for irrational again.
okay.
So like we did it above, right? We got some negative answer. Same thing
Yeah.
we want to do it.
Yeah.
And then we can multiply -1 on both the sides to make the numerator negative.
So instead of doing that, look at this. Why? Or else let us take this entire part as x.
Sir, which entire part, sir?
This entire part. Root x. तो x का मतलब क्या होता है? No. So see, if you solve by this method, like it gets very big. So you can't do this. Or one logic. We have to catch out that logic. That's what the logic. What is that
Is
logic?
there some identity used here?
Identity is addition subtraction. If you add and subtract something and use identity,
No, that's our a plus b plus c whole square.
that
Or
is
a
what.
square plus.
A plus b plus c whole square means, okay, a square.
Right.
A square means, तो a square का मतलब root 2 whole square and root 3 whole square, or else you write simply A square मतलब root 6 whole square A square plus B square. B square, what is B square here? Root 3. A square plus B square, okay. A square plus B square plus 2AB. If you just do that, again you must get that again. So okay, I'll get 6 here. I'll get 3 here. 3 is not there. And guys, you know, better you can do logarithmic. You can apply logarithmic concept as well.
So what is logarithm?
You don't know, right?
No,
So,
sir.
No, sir. Can you
yes.
teach us, sir?
Yes, sir.
Definitely. If you apply logarithmic, see, entire whatever the question you take, so if you use a logarithmic, it makes our questions very simple. So yeah, by using logarithmic, we can do this, I guess.
Yes, sir.
By taking like x to the power of minus, like we can bring this denominator to the numerator and apply the logarithmic, and we can do that. So guys, logarithmic I'll teach you, but not now. But we have to finish our syllabus, then we can teach us. Then we can go for that. And or else, guys, if this 5 root 6 can be written as what? This
Sir,
first.
I
Let
know
us do
what
this.
is logarithm.
Sorry,
I know what is logarithm.
what is logarithm then?
My
See, one thing,
teacher
guys,
teach-
look at this here. Or else, let me tell you here. This we have, right? So first we'll take 1 second. We'll take only 5 minus 2 root 6. If I take, so this can be written as what? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Yes, we got an idea. We got some. See here. This can be written as what? This one? Oh, look at this. Wonderful. Got it, guys. Guys, 5 root 6 can be written as this one. No, yes or no? Tell me.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here minus, this one minus, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
We got some logic here now. This is what we were finding out. So now look at this here now. So this can be written as root 6 plus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. So here minus 1 by square root of this one.
So directly you can write it root 2 minus root 3 whole square. Then you can add to it, right? A minus
sir,
b
then we
whole
can
square,
write,
right? We can directly do it. Root 2 minus root 3 whole square.
Yes, sir. Root
This
2
can be
minus
written as- So this can be written as root
2
2
minus
minus
root 3
root 2 minus
whole
root
square.
3 whole square. Yes. If I do so, this will get cancelled.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Now this can be written as how?
And now we can rationalize root 2 minus root 3 and we can get the thing on the numerator. So 1 second, I'll just try it and do it.
Let's look at this. Yes. We'll do like this. Now rationalizes, इसको करेंगे ऐसा. आया समझ?
So
Alright.
then we take root. Yes, sir. So
Oh
then
my
we take
God.
root 3 minus root 2. That because 3 minus 2 1 will get.
Which one?
Then we take root 3 minus root 2. Because then 3 minus 2 will get 1.
So you, for making it plus, then you have to make it plus.
Yes, sir, we can simply multiply minus 1 into minus 1, right?
You take minus common and multiply. So after multiplying it, you can just like this. Do it. No problem. Why? Because you can take minus common here. If you take minus common, it will become like this. No.
Yes, sir.
I already have minus, so minus into minus plus, like that. So yes, now do this.
This is plus 2.
So root 3 minus root 2 divided by. So a square minus b square, तो ये तो बन जाएगा एक बन जाएगा एक. अभी इसको क्या करना है देखो. This also can be written as in the form of some perfect square. What that is? What is that?
So then we see identity a plus b plus c whole square.
A plus b
Yes,
plus
sir,
C.
that's what I said.
A square plus b square plus c square is equal to
What is
2a.
A here? Root 3 here. A square. Let us see.
So
plus b square plus 2ab 2ab
Sir,
plus
plus C.
2bc plus 2bc
Yes, sir.
2bb. C is
So I
what?
think we should take even 1 square also, sir. Because 3 plus 2, 5. And 5 plus 1 square, 1. 6.
3 plus 2.
Yes, sir. 3 plus 2, 5. And then it should be 6, right? So we should take even 1 square. A is 3.
Acha, so for making it 6, so
Yes, sir. We need to take 1
Sir,
square.
we missed the C square, sir. Yeah.
so a square, so 2ab मतलब ये आ जाएगा 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Yes, now we can get it. Look at this now. 6 plus 2 root 6. अरे भाई simple है, done. You got this. We can do like that. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Getting the idea was like getting this kind of ideas very quickly. Very good question, Kavya.
So now it can be written as AB, root 3A and root 2 is B. Similarly, we can do the other two
A
also.
plus b plus c whole square. So simply
Yes, sir.
square root will get cancelled. This one. So this will get cancelled. So 2 root 2.
Sir, it should be minus, right?
Which one?
So the above one.
Which one? This one.
Yes, sir. This part.
Minus only. No, I wrote minus only. No.
1 second, sir.
2 root 3 plus 1 option is there.
No, sir.
Root 2 plus 3.
Sir, I mean to say like root 2 minus root 3, like minus root 2 minus root 3 is there, right?
Minus root 3.
Yes, sir. Minus root 2 minus root 3 was there, right? For the other one.
I took common here. No, I took minus common. After taking minus common, I made this as plus. Then I rationalized. So this center part can be written as root 3, root 2 plus root 1 whole square. And that will be getting cancelled. Square root plus root 3 minus root 2.
So root 1 can be written as 1, right?
Of course.
Yes, sir. Then
sir, we can do it. That's
This
one.
will get cancelled. 2 times of root 3 minus 1 is the answer. But you are saying no option available.
so we need to something.
I think we made somewhere calculation, but this is pakka 110%. This is a procedure.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, guys, and look at this here. Kavya, this question probably we'll discuss in the next class. I have next
Yes, sir.
class right now. So
Sure. Yes, sir. Sure.
we'll leave now. So I have next class. I have to log in into that.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. Okay, children. Thank you. Let's retire in the next. Let's retire. We'll meet in the next session. Taruni, are you understanding better?
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Very
Thank you,
good.
sir.
Please revise the class notes and come up with your doubts. Taruni is not asking any doubts. Taruni should ask. Ananya, why are you late to the class?
Sir, her voice is not audible.
Okay, no problem. Thank you, children. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Ananya is calling
Thank you,
you.
sir. Bye, sir.
Yes, Ananya, tell me.
Yes, sir. I wasn't able to join, sir, because of.
Okay, no problem. No problem. You just come up with your doubts in the next session. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.